Pirates ithe okay nishaye 4-1 shintsha kanjani izinto sidlale nge-4-3-3 previously. They came with a 3-5-2 and a 3-5-2 that meant ukuthi they had numbers in midfield, they had numbers in defense, they had numbers in attack, so they were ready for every eventuality. The first goal that Pirates scores comes from defending first. This is where they start. Now, I want you to look at the top of the screen. We've got 3 seconds that we are showing you. See a time about how long does it take Pirates to score? How long does it take Sundowns to win the ball back? Transition football says if you win the ball in 5 seconds of losing it, you are susceptible to winning the match because it means when efficient. The 3 that we've circled there is the 3 center backs, Umbogazi, Usbisi, Ganye, Nokoki. Ukochu bonile ukuthi against 2 Abomatrapa, which is Ureinas no Shalulile ngenkone because Usibisi noxoki itransport ayikho outing let intwana encane ne-speed ene-energy ezokwazi ukuthi basize. Now the other big factor here was that coach was playing a numbers game. He says let's play a 5v3, 2 wing backs, that is Van Rooyen and Hotto, then the 3 midfielders, 2 sitters and 1 attacking midfielders, Udlamini, Utalente kanye no Makaula against 3 Sundowns. Everybody knows Sundowns will populate the midfield to make it difficult for you. Now, let's look at how quickly do they get out. This week, Makaula does not run with the ball. At this moment, Mukwena is supposed to drop into Mufokeng because he might receive. But he's anticipating that he's going to play a long pass, Ulali long pass, Van Rooyen down the line. Suarez does not catch it. Ngalubone kule moment. Ngifuna ukuhighlightela le moment la. Ngiyibusele mbongo ngifuna uyibone kahle no Tebza makazibone ekhaya athi angwalethu hloya ka man i-technology yangala namhlanje ne-Pirates but ngifuna ukuthi ngiyilethe la uyibone kahle lento engishoyo. Anyway, if you know Teboho Mokoena there, he is looking down because at this moment we are tracking the 2 players there. We are tracking the 2 that are on top of the 3-5-2 because in transition we want to be able to have numbers going forward. That's what Pirates did. They say siyazi ukuthi baselenga 4 player 4 leyana masiwini polo senzani, quick transition and go, and that's exactly how Ribeiro Ngimbizi, master tactician, he's got that tactical acumen that he says, how do I fix things? And this is how we did it. Urile namhlanje kadlala as an attacking midfielder. He played as a winger. Sundowns was not ready for it.
Also,